This is 29 Acacia Road, and this is Eric, the schoolboy who leads an amazing double life. And when Eric eats a banana, an amazing transformation occurs. Eric is Bananaman, ever alert for the call to action.
I don't mind the rain, because this is my big day. We're playing Gasworks United and I'm in goal. Oh, this is no ordinary rain bucketing down.
That's right, banana fans. It was raining cats and dogs. Poodles were forming everywhere.
Keep alrighty here, Eric. This is no ordinary rainstorm bucketing down. Oh, I tell you, lad, it's getting very damp around here. Now, Mr. Grindle, our damage control officer, is down at the dam. And he says the wall can't take much more pressure.
Gosh, Chiefy, if that wall gives
Yes,
way...
Eric, exactly. Think of all that masonry and think of all those tons of water pouring down Acacia Road. It could be the wall of death.
Right, Chief, I'll be right. I'll get in touch with Bananaman immediately.
Bananaman and the chief felt a chill of foreboding. Could this be the work of the weatherman? But surely they'd seen the last of that evil villain when his airship vanished in the grey Arctic mists.
Hadn't heard the last of the weatherman.
Never mind. Bananaman was on his way.
Yes, fans, to face one of the greatest challenges of my career.
It's Bananaman.
Hi there, Grindle.
Hi.
This is a splendid view. Now, what seems to be the problem?
I'm doing my best, Mr. B, but this is a very big wall.
Say no more. What's to be done?
Oh, well, you see, there's a huge plug at the base of this wall. If you could pull that plug, all this water would drain away and we'll all be saved. But hurry, Bananaman. This wall won't last much longer.
By George, Grindle.
Yes.
Look, that's a periscope. There's no time for a 1.5 twist or a somersault.
Just a somersault, sir.
No, there's no time. I shall just do my straight power dive.
You must do what you think best, Mr. B.
In that green twilight world beneath the waves, it was hunter against destroyer. And suddenly, there it was.
Great barbecued bananas. A submersible airship. Yes, it is the weatherman.
In person, baby mine. And what a time for that interfering banana to turn up. Just a few more minutes of rain and the rising floodwaters will crack the wall. And then it's bye-bye Acacia Road and farewell the Acme Bingo Hall. I know, I can stop Bananaman with a banana-seeking torpedo. Range at 5,000, the speed at 25 knots. Fire! 1, and running!
Even at 50 fathoms, my underwater hearing aid can pick up the approach of a deadly banana-seeking torpedo. Ah, this length of tube should do the trick. I'll bend it like this and... Ready when you are, weatherman.
It's coming back. I can't let Bananaman pull that plug out. Stand by to ram.
Yes, fans, another villain down the drain. All in a day's work for a modest hero. And now it's time Eric appeared at that football match.
We lost 23-0, Eric. We had nobody in goal.
Yes, where were you, Eric?
I know what you're thinking. Tell them the truth, right? But they'll never believe it.
And now we interrupt this program to bring you a special satellite bulletin from the planet Nerk.
Greetings, Earthlings. This is King Zorg of the Nerks. We have decided to stop attacking your planet. We want to be friends. That's why we're inviting you to this year's Intergalactic Olympics. If you have a champion, let him come forward.
Why don't you send up the big fella? Him in the blue underwear. Oh!
Ah, yes, Mother Nerk. Bananaman. Unless he's afraid to accept our challenge.
Flipping heck! We'll show 'em who's afraid.
And so the great skyfighter rocketed through space, this time to face the cream of interplanetary athletes at the Nerk Olympic Stadium. Inside the stadium, the weightlifting competition was in its final stages. The powerful Nerks were eliminated, and Appleman dropped out. Only 2 contestants were left.
Will you join us as Morris the Muscle of the Dunroming Athletic Club attempts our final race? Winning a gold medal. Oh, it's up there, it's up, it's up! It's the last lap race, and fans in here come the 3 front runners sprinting down the home straight. We've got Neddy Nerk in the lead, Bananaman and General Blight. And then Bananaman's taking the lead. Oh, look at that radio transmitter. Watch out for a sneaky stroke from the General. And there it is. Bananaman's chances have shrunk. And it's now General Blight and Neddy Nerk racing for the line. They're going for the line. But it's going to be a photo. It's going to be a photo. It is. It's a photo finish. And General Blight wins it by a nose. Neddy Nerk there set a new distance record, 200 metres. He must be unbeatable.
Out of my way, jelly baby, and watch this thing.
Great steaming satellites. There must be at least, it's got to be 500 metres.
Hear that, Crow? 500 metres. Everything depends on this throw. If I lose, millions of banana fans will be broken-hearted.
No, oh dear, you mustn't think like that, Big B. You just get out there and fight.
He's right. I must get out there and fight.
Now, that was a great throw, boss. Give me that, but, promise not to panic.
Panic, Crow.
You, forgot to let go.
Ta-da!
Ladies and gentlemen, to reward the overall winner, all hail Mikey Zorg of the Nerks, spelling champion of the...
Enough, Henry. Congratulations, Bananaman. Your nerves of steel and muscles of iron have triumphed again. I shall pin this gold medal on your chest. Thank you.
What a great experience that was, Crow. The galaxy's top athletes meeting in fair and friendly competition.
Fair and friendly. And pigs can fly, boss.
Hello, Weatherman. Hello, Weatherman. This is General Blight. This is General Blight.
I heard you the first time. I heard you the first time. What are my orders, General?
My plan is to attack the school bus. When Bananaman comes to the rescue, we shall capture him. Radio me when you spot the bus, Weatherman.
We're going to be late for the bus, Cousin Eric. You shouldn't have gone back for that banana.
I had to, Samantha. A banana is very handy when you're fighting crime.
And what would you know about fighting crime?
Not a lot.
What you looking at, Eric?
That's the weatherman's airship, Sam. It could mean trouble. You go on ahead, I'll catch you up.
When the weatherman flies in, you can bet General Blight's not far behind. Whatever terrible deed they're planning, banana fans, I hope I'm not too late.
This is the Weatherman I am tracking the bus, General.
Good. Be ready to follow my orders. Righto, weatherman. Let's have a bolt of lightning.
One lightning bolt coming up.
Now, kiddies, I'll just push this tree over in front of the bus. That should bring Bananaman rushing to the rescue.
Weatherman here, General. What happened?
I wasn't quite ready. This time I want an obstacle that's sure to stop that school bus. A sea of mud.
Very well. One rainstorm coming up. Or should I say, coming down.
I'll never get through that sea of mud.
Oh, yes, you will, Grindle.
Oh, no, oh, it's Mr. Bean.
Now what's happened, General?
Oh, well, all we have to do now is cross the bridge and we'll soon get you to school.
Boo! That's bad news!
But Mr. Grindle's troubles weren't over, Banana fans. If an evil person, like General Blight, got into that control tower, he could cause a serious accident.
Accident? This won't be an accident. I'm doing it on purpose.
Help! Save us! There's Bananaman!
I'm right here, Banana fans.
It won't be long now, kiddies. Bananaman will come to the rescue, and I'll make him wish he'd stayed at home and watched himself on TV.
Hooray! Go Bananaman! Hooray!
And then, Chief O'Reilly, I drew the two halves of the bridge together so quickly, General Blight was caught up in the cable, and Mr. Grindle drove the busload of children to school.
Well, I must say, you tied this up very nicely, Bananaman. Saves me putting the handcuffs on him. Off we go.
Where have you been, Eric? Sleepyhead? All's like you are. Bananaman saved us from that awful General Blight, Eric.
Bananaman, who's he?